Hi, everybody. This is Daryl. Daryl Goes Shopping. And I wanted to touch bases and let you know I've got a video coming up tomorrow, and that I have been away helping out with my mom on the other side of the mountains. So I just wanted to check in with y'all, and I have the biggest, most giant pile of Temu sitting on my table at home that I am going to unpackage tomorrow. So watch for that, and then we'll see if we can't get some more content up for you. I apologize for the lack of communication here, but things kind of went a little sideways. So I'll see you soon. Bye.